Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can get Exitlag free trial. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. What you can do is simply open up your web browser, and right over here what you need to do is type in Exitlag free trial. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this start your 3-day free trial right now. Once you press on it, what you need to do right over here is just give it your first name and then last name, obviously, and then your email and then your password and then your confirmed password, and then just simply press on start free 3 days of your free trial. And once you do that, it will start. So if a user already exists and it says, so what you can do is just change your user like this. I mean, it's pretty simple like that, and you can just just make sure that you have a newer user. You're not using any older all registered accounts, because if you do that, you won't be able to use it. So here, as you can see, account has been directly created, and now I can just directly download Exit trial for like 3 free day trial, and you can just keep on doing this. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.